Alright, it's time for the T4 to get blood transfusion, oil change. Got an oil filter there, some 5W30 synthetic. Probably a bit of an overkill for this old bus. Let's have a look at the current status of the oil and see how overdue she is. Okay, here we are at the business end of the old Turd Box T4. Let's have a look at the oil, condition of the oil, and just see how desperate she is for an oil change. Yeah, that's pretty black. Obviously I did check it before I fired her up. Plenty of oil, but the condition's not great. So let's get underneath this baby and drain the oil, replace the filter and top her up. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, yes. Alrighty, let's get an oil pan under there, just in the hopes that we don't make an absolute mess. I've got myself 3/4 inch socket here. Let's see if we can get this off without too much trouble. Nice. Okay. Got her cracked loose. Or do we? Oh. Alrighty, she's loosening up now. No, she's not. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh. No, we don't. This has definitely got to have it. Okay. Let's see how much of a bloody mess we can make here. Oh, nice. Straight in. Didn't even drop the bolt. Ripper. That is some black oil. That is in need of a change. That is some black gold Texas tea right there. Alrighty, we'll let that drain down and come back when we're ready for the filter. Hey little buddy. Just the mate checking out the progress on the old Turd Box T4. Alright, unfortunately I missed the oil filter extraction. We didn't get off lightly with the mess this time around, unfortunately. We had some good luck with the sump plug, but not the filter. So that's what we ended up with. Nothing like putting a bit of cardboard down. That's the filter, well and truly overdue. The sticker on the window says 10,000 overdue, but that filter is well and truly cooked. So we'll let that drain down a little bit more and we'll get some fresh oil in her. Okay, that's dripped down nicely. Let's get this new filter on. Man HU 719/7X. As you saw, that old filter was definitely well and truly in need of replacement. There's our nice new one. Comes with a nice new O-ring. I'm going to do the right thing and not replace that. Okay. I do have a VW oil filter socket. Typically though, when I need it, I've got no idea where it is. So what we're going to have to do is use these multi-grips and give that a snug up. Oh, you are joking me. Straight into the oil. Nice. Oh, yes. Perfect. What are we going to do with this? You know what? We'll just carry on. Can't really make much more mess than we already have here. Oh, the fall's knocked it out of place. Nice. Winning everywhere we go. Let's see if we can't drop this thing in it again. perfectly torqued. Let's get some new oil into this bad boy. Fuck. Just because we've had so much luck with staying clean with this oil change today, I'm going to freehand this bad boy. Let's get some 5W30 Castrol Edge, fully synthetic in there. A couple of Legends faces on the bottle. Let's give this a crack and see how the T4 likes it. Oh, straight in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Steady. Steady. Oh, okay. Let's check the dipstick, see how much it likes. That is a 5 litre jug. I put about 4 litres in, I reckon. Let's just see where she's at on the old dipstick. Definitely needs a bit more. Ooh. Just tickled the rim on that one. Oh yeah, she's up. She's looking good. Probably 3/4 up. That filter housing and the filter's going to take a bit, but I think for now... Oh nah, let's chuck it all in. Beautiful. Alrighty. Let's clean up a bit of residual we left behind. Fire this bad boy up. Oh, she didn't like that start up. There she goes. We'll give it a run for a couple of minutes and check the oil level again. Ooh, I think she likes it. I think she likes it a lot. Oh, she looks a little bit low now. I think that filter and housing took more than I thought it might. We might have a splash left in the jug. Indeed. Alrighty, let's pop that splash in, and hopefully that'll do the trick. Second time around, let's see what she thinks. Definitely looks a lot nicer than what was in there. Surely she's going to be happy with that. Yeah, nice. About halfway up the fill line. Probably could do with another litre or thereabouts. But for now, that's as good as she's getting. Beautiful. How are we looking under here? It's a mess. Don't have any drips or leaks. Success. Well, here's to a job done and a bloody big mess made. Cheers. Oh, yes.